Hi, I'm Paul Haydocy with Road Adventures, and today I'm going to show you how to utilize your single-door Dometic fridge. For this Dometic fridge, you'll notice two buttons located at the top. The first button is your power button. To turn the fridge on, simply push that in. Your second button is your mode settings. You have two options, either auto or gas. While on auto, your fridge will always strictly try to pull from your 30 amp power source first. If you're not hooked up to 30 amp, it will then try to pull from your propane tank. While on gas, your fridge will strictly try to pull from the trailer's propane tank. Located inside the fridge, you'll find the thermostat. The thermostat is a white rubber cord that is connected to the vertical metal fins. The higher the thermostat is, the cooler the fridge will be. The lower the thermostat is, the warmer the fridge will be. Thank you for watching. To check out more how-to videos, visit our YouTube page or go to roadadventures.com and start planning your next Great American Getaway.